Hello everyone. Today I'm back with a new video, a podcast with a speaker, Parth Makmara. Let me tell you about him. He's a podcaster. He's a YouTuber. He's the best-selling author of the book in Amazon. He's running his own startup and many things. He do digital marketing as well and a LinkedIn influencer. To know more about him, just we will have a brief introduction by himself. So thank you so much, Parth, for accepting my invitation and giving me a chance to interact with you.
Hello, Raju. Thank you so much to invite me. So it's nice to meet you. Yeah. So as guys Raju told, right? So I am an Amazon best-selling author of the book LinkedIn Organic Growth. I am a Harvard delegate. I am also the podcaster, YouTuber. I am running community also. I am also having doing business in the two industries, the IT and media industries. I have my IT company with I'm running by my with my friends. So I'm also speaker by the this is my 9th or 10th talk of this year, by the way, maybe 10th. Yeah. So that's why it's special. So that's about me. And yes, by the way, I'm also the computer engineering student.
That's
So
great introduction. So we will start with something like how you got motivated behind these all things, that how you manage these all things, and when you started
oh.
basically.
So before giving the answer of this question, I want to tell you something why I need to manage my time, why I need to manage this every kind of things. So the people who don't know me, so I want to tell them, okay, I'm right now we are working on maybe 7 to 8 projects, different projects, IT and media both. Also we have other work, like also I need to record my YouTube videos, my podcast, and also managing my team, managing my interns, also managing my college also, because as we know, as an engineer we need to write lots of assignments and we need to give lots of vivas, exams and everything, right? So for that you definitely need the team. Actually what I am doing is, so आई थिंक आपने कभी सुना होगा कि सबसे अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट अपने आप में रहता है, सुना है, आई थिंक सबने सुना होगा। लेकिन अभी ना दौर बदल रहा है, मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि सबसे अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट अपने आप तो होता ही है, लेकिन आपके साथ जो बंदे काम कर रहे हैं, जो आपकी टीम में, उसमें करना भी रहता है। मैंने क्या किया, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट ऑफ द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट ऑफ द आईटी कंपनी, राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट डूइंग अ कोड. So still I'm running IT company. We are working on more than 15 plus technologies. Even also we are working on technologies like the blockchain, DevOps, the NFT, and very hard technologies, right? So what I did is I invest my time in my bucks in a people who want to become expert in that field. I have expert of the Facebook. I have expert of social SEO. I have expert of the app developer. I have expert of a web developer. So something like this. So that's the why I have a complete time uh, to manage this every kind of things. To do investment in the people with yourself.
That's awesome. That's awesome. You work with your team mainly. That's really
Yeah.
great, and that's why it might be you might be comfortable with these things like managing everything as your
Yeah.
academic.
Even after completing this, I have 2 meetings.
Oh, great, so busy. That's nice. Like how you started your digital marketing, like how you learn
Sure.
from where you learn these all things.
Sure. Actually, you can't believe. Right now, I'm in fourth year, right? So when I was in a first year, from first year, I want to do the business. My friend come to me with one idea. We want to sell online perfumes, natural perfume from Kalol, UP. And my friend asked me, "You, if you want to join me, you need to do the SEO." And I said yes. But at the time, I really don't know what is the SEO, and I just Google it, full form of the SEO, and I got idea, search engine optimization, and this is a part of digital marketing. Okay, I will do it. I just answer, I will do it in my first year. And to reach out to my college daily, I need to travel for 2 years, sorry, 2 hours. And to come back to my home, I need to travel again 2 hours. So daily I'm traveling 4 to 5 hours when I was in my first semester. So I learned digital marketing, everything about technology, almost about finance, almost about startup, and while traveling in city bus. So daily I'm traveling for 4 hours. So mostly I spend 2 to 3 hours in learning new things like digital marketing and all. And I'm honest. I first of all I learned digital marketing from the Intellectual Indies. That is the name of the YouTube channel from Sahil Khanna. Really, he's a very nice man. He very gentleman. And also I learned from Neil Patel, Digital Pratik, and from Deepak. Also from many other guys. There are so many things, and also from the Google also. But I'm sure if you really want to make career in the digital marketing, definitely course is okay. Course is, do any course, right? But must implement the things. I also started my blogs. I publish up to 27 to 30 blogs. I also started social media. I was active on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Quora, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Reddit and Telegram, and I also started podcasts to market the things. So I explored that. So I learned content marketing, social media marketing from them, right? From that the things. After that I also want to explore the influencer marketing. So what I did is I built my personal brand where people are inviting me. I also did one influencer marketing campaign for my client also. So must implement the things. Digital marketing is okay, course is okay, but even if you don't implement the thing, then result will be definitely zero.
Experience, yeah, exactly.
Yes, definitely we all need the experience and the actions.
That's awesome. You're so determined with the work that you do, along with the team, and passionate about these things. So, can you tell about your journey of the like becoming a bestseller author on Amazon? That
Yeah, sure. uh Even this part of my life is a story. uh yeah, it was lockdown time and my friend called me, and he told me ki PM, actually my name is Parth Makana, so people call me PM, my short form is PM. So PM, I am writing a book. And I shocked, really when you are writing a book, you are actually, he was my classmate, school classmate, and right now we both in a different college. And I told, really you are writing book? Oh my god, amazing man. So blah blah blah, etc. And in this, maybe in this May of, in month of May, yeah, definitely in the month of May 2021, I got idea about, okay, let's actually LinkedIn gave me a lot. LinkedIn gave me so many clients. LinkedIn gave me so many friends, network. Even you also, right? Even you also invite me from LinkedIn. I got many invitation from the LinkedIn from different kind of universities and people, and from also from foreign countries. I have clients from 3 to 4 countries only because of the LinkedIn. So I thought, लिंक्डइन ने मुझे इतना दिया तो मुझे भी अपने लिंक्डइन के दोस्तों को देना चाहिए इन द रिटर्न. So that's why I thought ki, okay, I will write a ebook on the topic how to grow on LinkedIn organic growth. Right, so that's why I wrote a book. And you even you can't believe my English is not very well. Even you can feel so many grammatical mistake in my while I'm speaking. So it's fine, right? I'm from Gujarati medium side. I'm not a very good English speaker. So what I did is I hire one writer who will she need to edit my content which I wrote. So many times I told her, ki, remember, definitely I'll become best-selling author. Remember, even I told to my special friends, my co-founders, Hiren and Dakshay, okay, I will become definitely Amazon best-selling author. I visualize this thing so many times, and things happen. Because my intention was not to make money. My intention was I need to help the people, because LinkedIn gave me a lot. So I need to give return back to them. And even right now, actually my book price is very affordable. It's only 149 rupees. It's very affordable. And I'm sure if you apply all the strategy, definitely will get a high figure client in 1 month. I can give guarantee to you if you apply all strategy which I told in book. And after the what I did is, right now I'm making a full free course, completely free course, and I think I completed by 80 to 85%. You can check out that course on my YouTube channel. Okay, I publish almost 10 to 15 videos on LinkedIn, how to optimize the profile, how to get job, how to get internship, how to get a freelancing client, even how to get a client in a 1 single minute. I also share about this kind of strategy on YouTube for completely free. So you can also check out that. So intention is only to give return back. So that's my journey about Amazon best-selling author.
that's great. You mainly work with the team. That's very nice thing. Says the
Thank you.
the
Yeah,
mistakes or the problems that you find in yourself, just try to improve. Try to win the test with the experts. That's very nice.
yeah,
So
thanks.
okay, so since how long you're using your LinkedIn, like how you used to connect peoples and what the things,
Sure.
how you're getting benefit by it?
Okay, so Honestly, maybe this is in October, right? October 2021. And I heard about LinkedIn when I was in March or April 2020 in a lockdown time. I just check out one YouTube video, and I found one girl only doing business on the LinkedIn. And by that time I also started a YouTube. Sorry, that time I also started my blog and podcast. And for to promote my blog, definitely I want reach, and to get speakers, definitely I want a network. So someone suggest me from LinkedIn you can connect with the CEO executives of the company, and I said wow. And I also found a video from LinkedIn you can get a business, and I thought just to promote my blog. Honestly, अगर आप मेरी post actually I am doing a post daily since last 8 to 10 months. Yeah, but you need to scroll lots of time. Then you can check just 1 year ago I'm doing only posting my blogs, only posting my blog. Sorry, to get the views. So that's why I started the link. But after that I'm improving. I improve my content, I improve my profile page, I improve my company page, I also improve my style of the content, I also improve the how to connect with the people. Let me give you the pro tip. Suppose you are you are from digital marketing, right? So daily connect with up to 5 to 10 people from the digital marketing. Daily connect with the people who is working in a company of the digital marketing company, right? So you can learn from them, you can get a business from them, and also you can get opportunity like internship, job, freelancing project, etc, etc. And also connect with the people who want your service. Suppose there is some IT company, so definitely they need your digital marketing company, then connect with the executive of that company.
That's
That's it.
awesome. Nice. You are very active on LinkedIn and being such a great feedback.
Yeah,
Okay. So okay, so can you tell about that how you started a podcast and
sure.
how you used to invite the people
uh,
and interact with them?
Yeah, actually, the background you are looking right now, this AC and this rocket, it was just
Exactly,
a
like,
3 months old, 3 3 months old, right? 3 years, 3 months back we did this. When I was in the second and third year of my college, we don't have this kind of any kind of setup. Even my face was not looking. I had too much pimples and all. I am camera shy person. Honestly, I am camera shy person. I was not right now. I was camera shy person, so I don't want to start YouTube. And I heard something about podcast. Okay, so in the podcast we don't need to see our face.
yeah, in audio form.
Wow. Hmm. And that's why I started. And even I thought, okay, we also I don't want to learn video editing. Yes, I'm interested in learning, but at that time I don't want to do. So that's why I do the podcast. And I never know ki it will be hit like this. Right now my podcast listen in the more than 35 plus country. Even from after 3 days on 2nd November, I am starting something else with the podcast, completely in the different industry. I don't want to reveal now, just wait for 3 days on 2nd November. So that's the thing. And it's completely, I just don't want to show my face, and I don't want to edit video. That's why I started podcast. Maine kaha ki, let's do this. And even if you are listening me right now, just imagine the things when YouTube was founded, come to the India in 2008 or 2009. Just people who did the YouTube with the consistency like Bhuvan Bam, Ashish Chantlali,
Yeah,
they are
exactly.
millionaires now. Yeah, so this is the right same time for the podcast. If you do the podcast with the 2 to 3 years of the consistency, definitely you will reach the new highs. Already separation point आ गया US वगैरह में, लेकिन इंडिया में भी नहीं आया. So definitely try the podcast if you want to explore the things. Even right now we have lots of competition at YouTube, but in podcast there are so many opportunities and with less efforts.
Exactly. Podcast. It's a new way of learning. Like
Booming.
people
Yeah,
are getting interested in it.
exactly.
That's very nice. You are so determined and working hard to these all things. Okay, so now we will move to your startup, your company about your
Yeah, sure.
in detail with it, how what's about your team, the work that you do in the company, or the main vision or the theme of the
Sure.
company.
Okay, so by the since when I was in the first year, I never used my Instagram, Facebook in when I was in 12th, because I am from rural area, Bhavnagar. Right now I'm living in Ahmedabad, but Bhavnagar was a rural area, so I don't have idea about it. So when I come to the college, and even I don't know what the what to caption, how to write caption. I'm asking my female friends to give me a caption, and so that time I thought, okay, what if we have a application for the caption? We suggest caption. Even same with other things like we have a little bit water supply problem in the college. So I thought, what if you have application for this kind of thing which will manage the water supply? So I write down this kind of the idea. I'm not too good in the coding. Yes, I know the how to speak different languages, but I'm not too much good in college, like honestly, right? Because 4 to 5 months ago, I called my friend Daksha in here conference call. So Daksha, you need to manage
Please stop. Hello. Voice is. Please.
you need to manage the web development, and I will manage the business development.
Voice is not clear. Hello.
Actually,
Hello.
I'm not able to listen in your screen.
Yeah, exactly. Please wait.
Yes,
Please wait.
right now it's clear.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Now it's stable, but
Yes.
sorry. Since the beginning, it's happening like this. When you started this answer, I'm sorry. Hello.
No
Now okay.
problem. Yes. Yes.
Now okay. Okay. How you started recently? Like no.
Okay, you can start again. You cut this part.
Again, voice. Okay. Wait. Please wait. Hello. Hello.
Oh,
It's breaking too much. Hello. Hello.
yes, yes, yes.
Now it's okay. I think it's okay. Hello. Is it okay?
Yes, yes. Now it's okay, right? Cut this part. You can start. You can ask this question again.
Okay. So Parth, now I want to know about your company. That how you started and what the motive behind it and what is the vision of your company.
Sure. Again, it start with the first year of my college. Actually, in a 12th standard, I never used the Facebook, Instagram, and all because I'm from rural area, Bhavnagar. Right now, I'm living in Ahmedabad, so I don't know about that things. So when I come to the college and I don't know how to write a caption at all, so I'm getting help from my female friends who is suggesting us key how to write caption. So I thought, what if we have a application for caption who suggests us caption? Even we have a little bit problem in our color about the water management. So I thought, what if you have a application for this? So I have this kind of the ideas, but I'm not too much very good coder at that time. So I note down this kind of idea from since my first year of college. And also I'm trying different kind of businesses. I also tried the network marketing, I also tried the reselling business, I also tried the blog investment, podcast, etc. And I came across to the idea of the IT company. Let's do the something else. Let's put our foot into the IT company in the new technologies, right? So 4 to 5 months ago, I called my friend Daksha Italia and Hiren Kalaria, or that was a conference call, and I told them, Daksha, you are able to manage the app development things, and Hiren, you need to manage the app development things, and I will manage the business kind of the things and the team and all. And they both say yes. We started the company the Start Today Tech. Here you why the Start Today Tech is a sub company of the main our motive. Our main company is a foundation, is the Start Today Foundation. Here you can check a logo also, the Start Today Foundation, and the IT company is a part of it, the Start Today Tech TST, right? And within a month we develop a website and all. We started our business, and we reach out, we till the date within only the 3 months of the launching, we completed 20 plus project in app development, web development, software development, Python scripting and all. We hit target from the 3 different companies, US, Singapore and India, and we saw more than 10 clients only the 3 months of the day. So that's about us. And also we are now focusing on putting our feet into the product based company. But right now what we are doing is, right now we are learning from our client, right now we are learning from our mentors, right now we are learning from different industries and also from different startups, and right now we are developing our own product, our software based product. Maybe you will get more idea about it within a 2 to 3 months, I don't know. It will take few times because our company is only 3 to 4 years old, but not our experience. You can check out our recommendations and our project completed and everything on our website. So that's about it. Key, it was only story, it was only one call. Key, let's start a company. We did it, we started it, and the things are going well right now. Even I also skip my college placement. Let's skip it. Do this only.
That's great. You're doing something different out of the box from rest of the
Thank you.
people, and We have a good team actually, it seems. So can you tell about the team, that how many members are there, and
Sure,
what
sure.
do what do you find in them that to keep you with
Actually,
around?
right now, whatever we are doing, there is nothing I'm doing, nothing almost by everything is doing by my team. Dakshes and Hiran is backbone of my company. Dakshes and Hiran is backbone of myself also. That they are both are the managing almost everything, and really I'm happy for them. We are three core team members, the me, Dakshes and Hiran. We have 15 plus intern, 6 7 from app development, 6 7 from the app development, app and web, right? For different. We are right now working with freelancers. We have more than 10 plus freelancers from the Flutter, Python, DevOps, the AWS and all. So that's about our team. But right now we are looking for in-house team members also for the mostly for the Flutter and the React.js. So if you're also a good Flutter developer, then please apply here. You can apply, you can write a mail to me. Definitely, if you are best, we will hire you. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So nice. You are working very with a good team, and hope you will be a great day. One day you will have a great day.
Yeah, for sure.
Mhm.
Thank you for your wishes.
Mm, I think we have covered everything. Nothing more remaining. Okay, so what's your vision of your company? Like, how will you see your company within 5 to 10 years? That where it will be
Yeah.
standing?
So honestly, I don't know about the 5 years. Because the even just 1 year ago, I never know about the
Oh, that, yeah, that's
uh
one.
yeah, yeah. So by the just Navratri, you I think definitely you know about the Navratri, right? So you can't
Okay.
believe the last year, 1 year ago on Navratri, first time I earned the 150 rupees by selling my graphics. First, that was my first earning. And right now I skip my college placement also, running two companies, doing the things. So in a 1 year, lots of things will be changed. But if you're talking about the main vision, our main vision of the company is they do the amazing epic shit in the world of the technology, right? We want to focusing on the new technologies like the blockchain, DevOps, the AR, MR, XR, and VRs, right? So we want to develop the game in the AR VR. We are developing one project in the IoT, right, with the help of the IoT technologies, and so many things. But at the end we want to solve the menu. I told you, right, I note down the many ideas, we solve the real world problems. So there are right now we have many ideas which can solve many problems. So our intern is working on that. We are developing products, and till the date we are develop a in-house product, but we don't launch in the market. We need to do some more research to launch in the market. So definitely we are putting our feet into the product based company, and not only in the service based. Definitely I will run service based company for sure, definitely, but not for all time. We will explore the product base for sure.
Great. So as you
And
mentioned
I
about
hope
the,
definitely within a 6 month to 1 year, definitely we will get product from our side for
yeah,
sure.
okay, all the best for it. So as you mentioned about the blockchain development, can you explain about it in a brief way that what it is actually blockchain?
uh okay, so about blockchain, actually honestly we are working in the blockchain technology, but I don't think this is the right time to explain to exactly what is the
Oh,
blockchain, because more than me, there is someone who can guide very well. But what you can think is like our main motto is key, never stop, right? Never stop. If you are not an expert, then hire an expert. So actually I think ये आपने कहीं ना कहीं सुना गया, even just few days ago maybe Kunal Shah or Vaibhav Sisneti tweet about it, कि if you are smartest person in the startup, your startup will not going very well. So you no need to become a smartest person in the startup. You need to have a smart persons, people
exactly.
in your team and manage them. So as I mentioned, what I'm doing is I have the expert for the each and every industry, and I'm managing them also and doing the business cycles things. But definitely with the knowledge, definitely with basic knowledge, right? So about the blockchain, definitely we will do conversation in our next episodes and all if we are doing that.
Okay, great. So I think we have covered everything. Now at the last, I will ask you that I'm really inspired by your activities, these things that you do only in the just fourth year.
Thank you.
So I hope you will have a great future and will be
I
keep
hope
on
also, I hope
innovating.
so.
So can you give some suggestion or something tips like that what
Sure.
should be done by the students who are just only doing the academic thing
sure.
and want to do something different?
Sure. Actually, I want to say, don't read only. Even you can't believe ki, this month I ordered 5 books from Amazon, business books, right? But since last 4 semester, I didn't purchase one single academic book. So this is a little bit weird. I am reading daily. So if you are not reading daily, please start reading daily something. Even right now, I'm reading one book, Tuesday with Mori. Right, this is a really very nice book about the life and all. Mostly, I read about the startup business and the technologies, but this is okay sometime. So if you're not reading, definitely start reading something. At least 1 page, at least 5 page. I'm reading 10 page daily, but you can start with the 1, 3 or 5 pages daily. So definitely read, because what happens is when you read, your neurons of your mind will increase. They are connected, as we know, Steve Jobs told, right? Connect the dots. The dot will connect. It will become the line, and definitely something will big happen if you're reading, because you will learn from the experience of the people. Till the date I finished 31 book, right? Psychology of Money was my 31st book, right, which I was finished. So you can imagine that I learned from the 30 different people who has already experience, who have already, they are wealthy, they are already successful. So I learned from their experience there, I learned from their life, right? So I also learned from their mistake also, the most did. Second thing is, never stop the exploration. Also, most people what think, okay, so they did this, they failed this, okay, that's okay. I also failed in my network marketing business, I also failed in my reselling business, I also failed in my blogging. So even if you fail, that's okay, yeah, it's not a big deal. Just start something, do else, change a team, change mentor, change different business. Okay, so never stop. Actually, I'm honestly, it's very hard to do and it's very easy to say. अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो काफी इजी लगता है, लेकिन जब होता है तो नहीं होता है. लेकिन तुम हमेशा याद रखना कि एक दिन डेफिनेटली ऐसा आएगा कि तुम्हारा भी बड़ा हाथ लगेगा, तुम्हारे पास भी हाथी आएगा, और वो इतना बड़ा हाथी होगा ना कि यू कांट इमेजिन. मुझे भी ये बातें ओनली 1 महीने पहले ही मुझे काफी वाहियात सी लगती थी, लेकिन आज मेरी कंपनी के पास जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स वगैरह है उसे देख के मुझे लगता है कि नहीं, दिस इज द रियल. नेवर स्टॉप, जस्ट कुछ ना कुछ एक्सप्लोरेशन करते रहो. और हमेशा सपोज कि यू आर लर्निंग, सपोज यू लर्न द Node.js technology, right? So don't think, okay, with Node.js I will get a job of 30,000 50,000 rupees and I will apply in this company. Don't do this. Don't think with this. Think, this is not just technology. How can I solve any this kind of big problem? How can I develop product? How can I develop company on this? How can I get a client for this particular technology from the different kind of from foreign countries, from different countries? So think in broader vision what you can do. So how ये कैसे होगा? बुक पढ़ने से मोस्टली हो ही जाता है. Now it's up to you. And as a conclusion, read a lot and try different things.
Thank you. That's a great. You have given a nice, good tips, and I'm really inspired by you. Your
Thank you,
activity.
Raj. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
even
much
anyone
for-
can DM me anytime. If they have
Those
any
who
kind
wanna
of
get
question.
connected, guys, those who wanna get connected, just I will share his LinkedIn profile in the description box. Just check it out and be in touch with him and ask anything, whatever you want. Take a mentorship as a friend. And thank you so much for giving me your precious time and interacting with me, Parth.
Yeah.
I'm so happy and glad to have you on here. Hope I will meet
Thank
you
you.
again in the upcoming future.
Sure.
Having a bright future. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Have a good